Okay. Now, this is part B of Unit 4, Lesson 7 and 8. Prepare to read the passage silently at home. Good, you can read it, guys, alone. Shall I read it for you? I really don't know. Okay, now let's see what's the rest. If I'm gonna let you guys read it, I don't know what's the point of just doing this tutorial. I just still want to read this out for you, though it's very long. Oh my god. I don't know, is this a newspaper or what? So, how about I still read it anyway, as in one audio if you want to hear it, and then you can just pretty much read the rest on your own if you want. Okay. Healthy eating. A balanced diet. To grow, to be healthy, and stay alive, everyone needs to eat. However, we cannot eat only one kind of food. We need a mixture of different food to keep to keep us healthy and to give us energy. The correct mixture of food is called a balanced diet. What kind of food do we need for a balanced diet? Our bodies need food, which gives us five special substances. These substances, called nutrients, are protein, carbohydrates, fats, minerals, and vitamins. Proteins are needed by our bodies to grow and become stronger. Lean meat, fish, chicken, milk, cheese, and eggs are examples of foods containing a lot of proteins. Carbohydrates supply most of our body's energy. Carbohydrates are found in potatoes, bread, cereals, rice, wheat, corn, etc., and sugar. Fats also supply our bodies with energy. Fats come from cheese, butter, oil, and meat. Strengthen our bones and teeth. What's happening? Hello? Yeah, sorry, I don't know what's happened. Okay. Minerals in our diet strengthen our bones and teeth. We get a lot of minerals from milk, lean milk, green vegetables, and cereals. Vitamins are needed to keep our bodies working well. If you eat enough protein, carbohydrates, fats, and minerals, plus fresh fruit and vegetables, then you will also get all the vitamins you need. What will happen if you don't have enough of these substances in your diet? There are diseases which are called deficiency diseases. These are caused by not getting enough of one kind of food. For example, a protein deficiency will have a bad effect on our muscles, skin, and hair. If we do not get enough carbohydrates and fats, we will not have the energy which our bodies need to move, grow, repair themselves, and keep warm. Minerals are very important in our diet. The quantity of any one mineral in our bodies is small. However, if we do not get that small amount, we will become sick. One important mineral for strengthening our bones and teeth is calcium. Milk supplies a lot of calcium. Another important mineral is iron. Iron is needed for our blood. We get iron from meat and from some plants. Vitamins too are only needed in small quantities. However, they're also important. Hundreds of years ago, sailors often became sick with a disease called scurvy. It made them weak and their teeth fell out. It was caused by a deficiency of vitamin C. Vitamin C is found in oranges, lemons, and lime. Fresh fruit was not part of the sailors' diet. As soon as they began to drink lime juice, their scurvy disappeared. Is there any food which gives us everything which we need? Yes, several kinds of food give us all or most of the nutrients which we need. It may surprise you to learn that two kinds of food from the traditional Arabian diet, dates and camel's milk, are full of nutrients. Look at these articles about dates and camel's milk from a newspaper and magazine and find out how full nutrients they are. It's surprising how many nutrients dates contain. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, always broke his fast during the holy month of Ramadan by eating some dates at the call for Maghrib prayer. In a holy mosque in Mecca, in the Prophet's mosque in Medina, large quantities of dates are supplied on the days of Ramadan. As an example of their importance, dates and date palm trees are mentioned in the Holy Quran 20 times. In the early years of Islam, Muslim soldiers carried dates in special bags in their sides. Dates were thought to be very good for the muscles and the perfect food for a soldier who was going into a battle. Modern science has proved that dates contain a lot of vitamins as well as sugar, fat, and protein. They're also rich in the minerals calcium, sulfur, iron, potassium, phosphorus, copper, and magnesium. Scientists say that a person who lives on a diet of any only dates and milk will be completely healthy and will have no deficiency disease. Saudi project studies the nutritional value of camel's milk. So, with continuing here, okay. Saudi project studies the nutritional value of camel's milk. Camel's milk is available in several ways. It can be stored at high temperatures for several days without going bad, and it is very high in minerals. Science has shown that 1 glass of milk of camel's milk supplies all the nutrients of a complete meal. Moreover, a camel can produce up to 25 liters of milk per day. Because of this, a project was started in the kingdom to market camels' milk. The project called Al Majahim began in 1985, and it began in 1985, and now uses around 120 camels, and it is also working with the King Abdulaziz City for Science and Technology, which is studying camels as a source of meal. There are two things that have been loyal to us, the camel and the date palm tree, because they have helped us to survive in this difficult environment. Several foreign scientific centers are interested in the project's work. For example, the University of Zurich in Switzerland has requested milk samples. A large farm in Australia is interested in camel production. Scientists in Holland have also shown interest, and several libraries in the United States have asked for information. The project is very pleased with its success. Its manager says there are two things that have been loyal to us, the camel and the dates palm tree, because they have helped us to survive in this difficult environment. Now answer these questions about the passage. The first one, what is a balanced diet? I can go back and I'll indicate it here for you. A balanced diet is getting the right mixture of different food to keep you healthy. So let me just write down the answer for you here. A balanced diet is about getting the right mixture of different kinds of food to stay healthy. All right. Now, for question number 2, let's just try to see what it is in question 2. Oh, sorry. Name 5 special substances which our bodies need. Well, okay. I know them already, but I just want to indicate them for you in the text because I want you to keep on referring to the text. There are 5 kinds of substances. All right, you can say fats, carbohydrates. There is minerals, and there are vitamins. Oopsie. And proteins. All right. Now let's get to the second one. Third question as it goes. Give the name of the deficiency disease which is described in the passage. Scurvy. Okay, let me just get you back there so you can just refer to it. Deficiency diseases, you can see here. Skin in here. Alright. I don't know where it's written, but let me just try to find it out for you again. Yeah, it's here. It's scurvy again. Scurvy is one example of a disease caused by deficiency in food and vitamins. All right, let's go to the second one. Right. The next question is, which two kinds of food give us all the nutrients which we need? Well, all holotext is about dates and camels, so dates and camel's milk provide us with all nutrients which we need. All right. Next one is 5. Looking at the 5 special substances which you listed in question 2. And how many of them are supplied by dates? Well, let me just try to get you back on the text. And there is dates contain vitamins, protein, fats, minerals. So the only one that is not supplied is carbohydrates. All right. How about the milk? I'm not so sure, but 4 kinds you can say. Dates provide 4 kinds of substances that we need for a nutrient, good nutrition, all except for carbohydrates. That's what it says. Okay. Now name 4 countries which are interested in camels for food. Okay, you can say USA, Australia, Holland, and Switzerland are all interested, all showed interest in, okay, all showed interest in camels milk experiments, you can say, or production studies and so on. All right, so that's it for this session. Let me see how much time we've been there so far. As if we can continue. Oh, okay, so we've got only one part left. So let's just finish it here before we go on. Okay, now choose the correct answer. Having a balanced diet means eating the same amount for every food, only fruit and vegetables, correct mixture of food, and 3 meals every day. Come on, anyone will try to guess? No one? Oh, come on, guys. You can't just do that. It's actually correct mixture. Getting the correct mixture of food is what gets you this balanced diet. Now, number 2, vitamins are kind of nutrients. Yeah, I'm trying to give you some lack of time to answer that. Cheese contains mostly, come on, anyone? Proteins and fat? Or is it carbohydrates? Come on. Hello, anybody? But I can hear different voices there. One's in my head that says, okay, which one actually contains more? So let me just check it out. Yeah, it's not carbs actually, it's more of the other ones. It's proteins and fat. So now let's go to number 4 and let's go. Lean meat contains only one nutrient. More than one nutrient, all the nutrients, no nutrients. Oh, okay, let's just try to search it back there for lean meat. Do we have a lean meat here? Let's see. Okay, let me just get you back here on this page. And as you can see with proteins, cheese has proteins and fats, but lean meat is not mentioned except for proteins, and it's only mentioned here for one protein. No, actually, it's also mentioned here for minerals, and that's it basically. So, let's just try to see what we should be answering here. So only more than one nutrient, actually. Yeah, good one. All right, now let's see number 5. Which nutrients give you energy? Is it fats and carbs, proteins and vitamins, minerals and vitamins, proteins and fats? Well, actually, it's fats and carbs, supposedly. So it's A. Let's go to number 6. Which of these is not a mineral? Well, I see it's not vitamin C. Good for you. Now, let's go to number 7. Oh, that was 7. Okay. Where did I miss? Oh, we missed 5. So actually, this is 6. All right, and this is technically 7. All right. Now, let's see. Ta-da! Sorry, too much misunderstandings here. Okay, now for number 5, which nutrients are good for your bones and teeth? It's actually minerals, or is it proteins? When it comes to your bones, it's supposedly proteins, but I'm so sorry, I'm just not a health expert here. So I can just becoming stronger, and I say here, bones and teeth, it's minerals. Yeah, good guess for me. I didn't know it. So let's just go for it. It's minerals. Okay. Now, let's go with this question. Hundreds of years ago, sailors became sick with scurvy because, come on, let's try to remember this because we just answered it above. They did not eat enough fat, needed more calcium, had no fresh fruit in their diet. Yeah, actually, they did not get fresh fruit in their diet, which is why they lacked vitamins, and so they had deficiencies, as in scurvy. Hundreds of years ago, dates were thought to be a very good food for come on, merchants, soldiers. Okay, sorry, you're not paying too much attention. Let's go for number 10. Scientists are interested in camel's milk for several reasons. Which of the following is not one of them? It can be stored at high temperatures, it's very sweet, it's full of nutrients, and one camel can produce a lot of it. Actually, D is the reason. It's very sweet, but that's not a reason why just they could be interested in it. Number 11, okay, a Majahim project was started in order to study camels as a source of meat, sell camels to other countries, market camels' milk, build farms for camels. No, actually, it was there to study, to make a study on the camel's milk. And so let's move on to number 12. Scientists in several countries have shown interest in camels. Which of the following is not one of these countries? Okay. Shown interest in camels. Which of the following is not one of these countries? Let me just try to find this out. Yeah, it's Zurich, because it's a city. Sorry, I'm almost losing attention now. The manager of the Mojang project talks about camels and oil, camels and dates, palm trees, camels and meat, palm oil, selling camels to Holland. Well, actually, no, it's talking about camels, and dates. And we're done with this unit. On this page, you can only find words. You can just mark it out, try to read it. It's just the same words you got before. We don't have a cassette, unfortunately. It's still not that much of a useful part unless you really practice it in class, because you may want to. You may want to get a test later on. So have a good day. See you.